Hello everyone. Today we'll have a look at a broker called KOT4X or KOT4X. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I guess KOT4X. It looks like this is a game company or gaming company or a company that suggests that trading is a game, which it is not. But still, this is what the first impression is. So only based on this first impression, the feeling is that we should run away as fast as possible. But let's give the broker the benefit of the doubt and take a bit what we can from this homepage. So besides this king that you see here, or whatever it is, kings of transparencies, okay. So whatever this image of lack of seriousness or fun in an industry that is not a game. So besides that, we see that this broker offers a starting deposit of $10 for each trading account, which whenever you see that, it means that the broker has a high leverage, offers high leverage, as you can see here, 1 to 500. Otherwise, you cannot open any trade with this small amount of money. But on the other hand, when you have high leverage, small minimum deposit requirement, it means that the broker is probably not regulated. Or if it is regulated, or if it holds a regulation, it holds a regulation in a jurisdiction where you don't even want to think of the seriousness in such part of the world. So that would be the first impression. 31 cryptos, 104 stocks, 55 currencies, 8 indices. Join our empire and create your fortress. Now, let's see a bit to the downside. What we have here is an online crypto, forex and CFD broker. Okay, based on the first screen and being, let's say, forgetting about this funny character on the screen, this would be a broker that offers access to quite some markets, but with the suspicion that is not regulated. We'll find that pretty soon. Our shield will protect your trades and our sword enhance it. Okay. Genuine broker, made from scratch by professional, designed for efficiency. Yes, I want to know more about the markets you are offering here. These are unclickable, so I cannot click on them, and therefore we cannot test the spreads and the trading conditions. Download MT4. So this broker offers MT4, which is the desired platform for retail traders. I agree with that. Partners, you can be an IB. How to buy Bitcoin. That's interesting. This broker offers a partnership with Coinbase. Basically, they act as an affiliate, if you want, or they redirect traffic to Coinbase. And for every trader that opens an account with Coinbase and so on, the broker will earn a fee. Not quite your serious broker that you want to look after, if you ask me. Account types. Open a live account, MT4, Standard Pro, VER, I don't know what VER means, or Mini, Standard Pro, VER. Let's see here. Finally, some technicalities here. On the standard pairs, we have what? ECN STP. So basically, either it is a hybrid model or one of the two. Maximum trade size 1,000 lots. Spreads from 0.8. Judging by the spread, the account is truly an ECN. Available instruments, $7 per lot as a commission. So all good here, but what's the difference between these accounts? VAR pairs, mini pairs. I don't see any difference on this, where the only exception that the available instruments here on the mini pairs are only the FX, and these are limited to 29 pairs. Recommended minimum deposit, so it's not an imposed minimum deposit, recommended minimum deposit of $50, minimum 500 for the pro pairs. This would be KOT4X. Now the big thing, I don't want to move even further. I think we've seen enough. Let's go a bit and check if this broker is regulated. A security and environment, genuine broker, yes, cryptocurrencies, STP, advantages, tight spreads, low commission, but these are unclickable, we cannot check this. Hedging allowed, nothing about regulation. I don't see anything about regulation here, but I do see a risk warning here that does not respect the rules of a risk warning in the 21st century, in 2021. Here the broker must have every time, at any point on the screen, must have a banner saying that CFD trading is risky, how many traders that use this broker are successful, how many are not successful, and so on. This is a condition imposed recently in the last couple of years or so by the European Union, in the United States as well, and in major advanced economies. Let's have another look at funding. It's funding about Bitcoin, Bitcoin deposit, Bitcoin withdrawal. More or less, this seems to be an unregulated broker. And with this, we should say enough about the risks of trading with such a broker. Remember that when there is no financial authority behind a business in this area, the risk is that you send the money to an entity. There is simply just a website here. You send the money to an entity, and in the case that this business goes bust, then there is no financial regulator to step in to protect the client's interest. And therefore, you have only two choices: either go on your own to fight for the deposits, or simply take the loss. Now, if you open an account with $10 and so on, probably you won't go to fight for the deposit, but maybe this is exactly what the broker expects. All in all, this is not a broker to consider, despite the funny name and the funny character, or precisely because of the funny character here. But this is not a regulated broker. It does not offer insights into the trading conditions, and this connection with the crypto market here is made in such a way that it appears that the broker actually acts as an intermediary, which again is not a serious sign of a serious partner. Thank you and bye-bye.